Hello guys, today I'm here in order to show you guys how to basically root and install Kali Linux in your Kali Nethunter in your mobile phone, and just giving you a vague idea. So if you can see right now, this is my OnePlus 2 mobile, and it currently doesn't have any operating system in it. That is why you can see that it's not booting into any OS, any operating system. So OnePlus comes up with Oxygen OS by default, but as you can see, I have removed everything. There is no operating system in this device to boot into. So here in this scenario, what I'm going to do is first I'll enter inside my TWRP recovery mode. So TWRP recovery, to get into, we have to select the power button and volume down button for a few seconds, and I'll be getting inside TWRP recovery. So once I get into TWRP recovery mode, so you can see here that I can get into installation. I have already loaded these files. Lineage OS is a custom ROM. Basically, if I want to install, if you guys want to install Kali Nethunter, so you can't directly install Kali Nethunter. So you have to install it on a Lineage OS. When it comes to OnePlus, Lineage OS is a custom ROM where you'll find it in XDA developers. For every version of OnePlus, you'll find it. Nexus, different phones are there which supports different custom ROMs, and you can install likewise in Kali Linux website. If you get in, if you go to download Kali Nethunter, you'll be able to see which devices Kali Nethunter supports. And Kali Nethunter you can't directly install in a device which it supports. So basically you have to load it upon a custom ROM. Like when it comes to OnePlus, we are having Lineage OS, which is basically a stable one. So first I need to install Lineage OS, and I have to root my device. So Magisk I'm going to use. You can use Magisk or you can use Super SU, any of it. But let's say one Lineage OS first I'll install. So I just have to flash it. So you can see just flashing it. So it starts installing the Lineage OS. So once I install Lineage, then I get on with Magisk. So you can use Super SU, you can use Magisk, but I prefer Magisk. So certain applications can have Magisk. So anyways, right now it's Lineage OS is installed. So till now I didn't have any operating system I have removed. So freshly installing Lineage OS on my device. So it's succeeded, as you can see. Okay, next is I can reboot into the system. Okay, but before getting into it, I'll also install Magisk. We get on with Magisk. 1 second, I'll go for older version of Magisk 22.0. So I'll get on with this, and you can see Magisk is getting installed. So now my device will also be rooted. So let's wait. Yeah, done. So it's completed. So very simple. We can install n number of modded applications, and we can install n number of times we can keep on rooting our device once we set up this TWRP recovery. If at all you guys want to know how did I set up TWRP recovery mode and all, then I have to make another video on it. So comment down. So if you want to also see how to set up TWRP recovery mode, so I'll definitely try to make a video on it separately. But either way, for now I'm telling, if at all you install TWRP mode, it's very easy to install any custom ROM and to even root your device as many number of times as possible. So I'm just getting into the system. So first time my device is getting into Lineage OS. So as you can see, I can download Lineage operating system. As you can see, this is Lineage OS. So first time I'm going to be installing custom ROM. It will take a little time in order to get to it. So it's okay. Next. Okay, I'll connect with my Wi-Fi. just click next, skip, get started. Alright, so guys, this is how basically Lineage OS, this is custom ROM. It's a very stable one. So as you can see, one is Lineage OS is there, second is Magisk also you can see here. So I'll just open, click OK. So it will download the latest version. So go to settings, enable, allow this source, click install. We'll have to also update Magisk once you open. So right now 22 version is there, right? You can see latest is 27. Okay. So as you can see, update. Now installed version is 22.1. So I'll just click on allow, install. Okay, so I'll just click on update here as well. Click on next. Direct install recommended. So it's installing. So once it is installed, we need to reboot our device. You can see reboot option. So I'll just reboot. So here is Magisk. It's updated. So installed version is 27.0. Okay. So now I'll get into modules. You see here, get into modules, and you can see install from storage. So I'll click on it, and let me just. So it's complete upload. So I select this, just you can see Nethunter, just uploading Nethunter. From my system. So in my system I have downloaded Kali Nethunter from Kali website, and I'm just copying into this folder, into my modules. Wait a minute. So this is for root devices. Once you use Magisk, so directly you can download this Nethunter from Kali official website, and you just have to go to modules and download this Kali Nethunter module. So it's complete upload. So I select this. Okay, so you can see Kali Nethunter 2023.3, 1 plus 2. So I'll click OK. It's copying this directory. So it's flashing. So let's wait till it happens. So you can see Kali Nethunter installer. So these are APKs, on APK, and KX APK, so APK. This pro application, or you'll be able to find all applications to install in Kali Linux for performing our hacking application. Kali Nethunter is installed now, so you can see here. I just have to reboot. Okay. So you can see please update Nethunter app permission, Nethunter store to work on that. Okay. I'm just rebooting. So let's check now. So Kali Nethunter is installed. So as you can see, Kali logo. Done. Just open. So as you can see, Kali Nethunter apps. Okay. So we are having Kali Nethunter terminal, and you can see Kali Nethunter store. This is Kali Nethunter store. So in the store you are able to see Kali terminal and Kali Nethunter. You can see update. So let me just update. So So Nethunter terminal also you can see all the apps you can update likewise. Okay, and apart from that you can see for Wi-Fi cracking tools you can see Hashdroid, you can see verifying integrity and different applications. So you can see RF analyzer, we can connect our HackRF or RTL SDR to our mobile device itself. So if needed, then in future, if you guys want, I'll make a different video on these applications. So there are many applications in store. So moving forward, getting back to our Kali Nethunter. So here I'll allow the permissions, and you can see I'm granting the super user permissions. So root privileges I'm giving forever. Okay, and you can see Kali version. Okay, you can see here I can click on start. That's it. And you can see here Kali services, custom commands, MAC changer. So you can spoof MAC addresses. You can use this device as bad USB also to do man in the middle attacks and all. You can run ducky scripts. You can see duck hunter HID. So human interface device attacks and all. You can see Bluetooth related, man in the middle framework. Okay, and nmap scans you can perform, pineapple connector you can see. So like that you can see the authentication attacks and all you can perform. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. Basically, if you have TWRP recovery mode, it's very easy to install any custom applications, custom ROMs, and upon that you can install Kali Linux on it, Kali Nethunter, and you can use your device, mobile device. You can see here, this is Kali terminal where you can run your commands. You can see root Kali. Okay, you can run your Kali Linux commands. Okay, I hope you guys have gotten it. So here we have Kali Linux terminal, and we are having a Nethunter KEX, and we are also having our Nethunter store where we can install different applications for hacking purpose. Okay, all right guys, thank you.